Hey all, good morning. So today is the 22nd of April 2020 and we are currently in the state of a lockdown considering the worldwide pandemic that's there, the coronavirus or the COVID-19. Because of that, a lot of people just like us are here at home and we are busy doing our day-to-day activities in terms of, washing, cleaning and taking care of the other things around. Amidst all of this, what we thought is just to share little details about how we plan a trek, or when you're going on a trek, what are the details that you should be looking out for. Again, till the time the pandemic is not, sorted, and we do not have clearance from the government that it's safe to travel, we won't be taking that step. But just good to know facts that how you can prepare for a trek, what all details you should be looking at when you're looking for a trek in terms of routes and planning and all of that. So in this video, what we'll be sharing with you, what we've done is we've just roughly sketched a map of the Valley of Flowers trek to start with for now. Other links like things to carry will be there again in the description below, so you can feel free to look at them as well. So yeah, for now I'll just switch the camera mode straight away to that sketch that I've drawn, and I'll just talk a little details about that, about the trek route. So this is the route, this is the map that we've sketched for you guys roughly. So this is Haridwar. Day one we pick you from here and drive via Joshimath straight to Govind Ghat. This distance takes approximately 10 to 11 hours for us to cover and reach Govind Ghat. So let's say by 6:30 you start in the morning from Haridwar. You stop once for lunch in between and then reach here by 5:30 in the evening. Here you'll meet team wanderers. We'll have a quick briefing followed up with dinner, and accommodation here will be in the proper hotel on twin sharing. Next day from here we cross this bridge and reach Poolna. This route from Govind Ghat till Poolna is a drive. So entire black patch is all the road drive, and the brown patch is our entire trek route. Yeah. So day one was Haridwar to Govind Ghat. That's the long drive. Day 2 from Govind Ghat, half all the way till Poolna, this 3 kilometers is going to be a drive. From here, 9 kilometers we trek on foot. Stop here for lunch once and get here to Ghangriya. That's the end of day 2. Here also we'll have cemented accommodation for you on twin sharing basis, the hotel. So we'll be having 2 nights here and 3 nights here, and the entire route we'll be trekking all throughout. Yeah. The next day, that's day 3 of this trek for the valley. We'll be starting our trek, taking this route, get to the forest checkpost, sort out permissions and permits, and enter into the Valley of Flowers. This distance one way from Ghangriya till the starting point of the valley is 5 kilometers, which should take approximately 2.5 to 3 odd hours to reach. It's a beautiful trail. We have mountain views all on the left and the right side to enjoy. Depending on the time and the weather conditions, we'll be taking a call how far deep we get into the valley. We get to the Joan Margaret grave, the famous botanist, who passed away there. We could visit that as well, again depending on the time. 10,500 feet in terms of altitude we'll be gaining that day, and we retrace our feet and come back to Ghangriya. The next day, that's day 4, we go from Ghangriya to the Hemkund Sahib Gurdwara. This distance is 7 kilometers one way. It should take approximately 3.5 to 4 hours to reach. We reach there probably by 12:30 lunchtime, have a lunch there in the Gurdwara, the Langar, and we head back. The highest altitude for the entire trek is going to be this, that is 15,200 feet, the Hemkund Sahib Gurdwara. Yeah, and we come back to Ghangriya. After that, the day 5 from Ghangriya, we come back all the way down to Poolna, 9 kilometers patch, and then drive to Govind Ghat. Now this route, because this is all downhill, what we plan to do is start early in the morning so that you can come here, complete this distance also on the drive and reach here in Govind Ghat. Then we'll know that we have enough time to make a detour other than the itinerary. If the weather permits and if the vehicles are available easily from here, we can decide who all want to go. We can arrange for transport as well additionally, and you guys can go towards Badrinath temple, the famous Badrinath temple. You go there 25 kilometers one way, spend some time there, visit the temple, and come back the same route back to Govind Ghat the same day. From Ghangriya, you come here, you can rest. It's not mandatory, but people generally prefer, considering they are here, they want to go and do the same route that same day, and by evening you come back. In the evening, day 5, we have a closing ceremony here session, and then day 6, early morning from here, we start a drive via Joshimath and come back towards Haridwar. So this is roughly a sketch that we've drawn. the water body that we see all the way from Badrinath that comes. There's the famous Alaknanda river. From here in Govind Ghat, it merges with the Lakshman Ganga and the Pushpati river that here comes here towards Govind Ghat, and from here this all the way goes further down when we are coming all the way from Haridwar as well. So this is one map that we wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, that's it.